Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the USAA Secured Credit Card. It is a top choice for building or rebuilding credit. But is it worth it or the best cards in the US? Let's find out. The USAA Secured Credit Card comes with the two flavors, a Secured American Express and a Secured Visa Platinum. It is a both require a refundable security deposit between $250 to $5,000 that becomes your credit limit. Here are the key benefits of the USAA Secured Credit Card. There's no annual fee on some versions, and also you can earn interest on your deposit in a certificate of deposit. Reports to all three bureaus, great for credit building. And there's no foreign transaction fees, useful if you travel or are stationed overseas. However, there are cons. There's no reward or cashback. Security deposit is tied up until the card is closed or upgraded. And it also offers a high interest rates if you carry a balance. Is the USAA secured credit card one of the best in the US? Yes, if you're specifically focused on building or repairing credit and you're eligible for the USAA membership. But no, if you're not great as general everyday card because it lacks rewards and carries a high PR if you don't pay in full. For everyday spending or other credit cards with rewards or introductory offers might be stronger options. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.